Welcome to today's lesson on pentatonic scale. Today we'll be working on B flat major pentatonic scale. I will show you how to realize your pentatonic scale from a 7-note regular major scale. That's B flat major scale. In this case, this is what we have. That's the 7-note regular major scale. For us to realize our pentatonic scale from this is what we do. We do away with the 4th degree and also the 7th degree of this scale. By so doing, we realize a pentatonic scale. So we will now be left with B flat, we have C, we have our D, then we skip D sharp or E flat, then to our F. Then we have G, we have our B flat as the repetition. So this is what we have. We have B, we have C, we have D, we have our F, we have our G, we have our B flat, which is a repetition of the root. And it will sound like this. So that's B flat major pentatonic scale. I know you also love to stick around by doing some kind of technical exercises. Alright, I will give you some kind of technical exercises. You are free to speed up things later, but at first try to internalize the sound of this pentatonic scale, then do well to improve the tempo bit by bit, and as well you can also mix up these exercises, combine them together and have a good time. Alright, let's get into these exercises. Alright, that's the size of the lesson for today. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. Also, tell some friends that may have need for all these things. All right. Happy shedding.